What's up YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. I have an exciting video for you guys. I am slamming my car. Right now I'm at Drake's house and he's working on his car that he had just got. He's gonna completely customize and it's gonna be super duper sick. I'm so excited for him. And then we're gonna work on my baby. And this is just a long time coming. This is just another thing checked off my list of my things to do to my car to make it my absolute dream car. Guys, I'm sticking with this car. Like, this car is my for life car. Next is rose gold. Hey. Hello. I have my two handy dandy.
What's going on? What's going on?
What's going on? What are you doing here?
Air throttle control valve on a 240.
Do you think I understood what he just said? Apparently I scraped coming in the driveway. No, I did not, for real? Really? Was that bad?
No, it wasn't like.
Oh, okay. Well, I actually did scrape before, guys. It's right here. You know the little keypad pins? The keypad pins when you go inside of a resident area? Well, I got too close to it because I didn't want to open the door and get out, and I scraped. Anyway, these are new lug nuts I got from Amazon. They're black, so these have been stripping. Well, not this tire set, but some of them have been stripping, like the little aluminum. So I got new lug nuts and I got them all black. So I want to see if those fit and will look good on this baby. Here is my coilover kit. I'll put the all of the information down below in the description if you guys want to check them out. But this is like dumb heavy, dumb heavy. I'm gonna try to get it out without asking the boys, okay? How I got this in here the first time? I don't know. I got it this far. I need a little bit of help. I almost popped a hernia putting it in my car.
I got you, good.
No, I can get one side. Because I'm strong. No, that's too heavy. It's too heavy for... What? Okay, yeah. Okay.
It's not.
It's really heavy, for real. It's for real heavy. I'm not... He really just made me look like so weak. I'm crying. Look how big my car is compared to the cars in this driveway. These are the bad boys, y'all. The bad boys. Saucy or saucy?
Saucy.
Drake, you're looking nice today.
What?
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Oh my goodness, I saw it coming.
Let me see that. Let me see that again.
No, it's too much action.
Too much action.
You gonna race the 240?
You wanna do it?
Yeah, let's do it.
Let's race! Let's race!
Barely touching
Let's
50.
race!
She's over here at 150.
I'm just spectating.
One eternity later.
I quick detailed my car, and now I'm doing errands because whatever they're doing over there, not for me.
This dude right here knows how to do that.
And this smells like grape. No, I didn't spray it in my face.
Bro. She does drugs like a weekend, that's what.
Your car's smaller, and I'm taking longer to clean this than mine.
It's because you want one of these instead of a Mustang.
No, I think it's because like on your color I could see more dirt than on mine.
Oh yeah, so you kind of
like,
just.
So like I see where I miss it here. Like on mine, like I just kind of wipe it where it is.
Yeah. Let's see how good of a job you did over here. You missed the spot.
Really?
Look at all this dirt. There's no dirt. Nah, there's no dirt. Nah, I'm messing with you. There's no dirt.
Crazy.
You're doing alright, I guess, or whatever.
That's crazy. I offered you.
I kind of asked you to do it though, low key.
Still, I could have said no. I could have said no. Drake got it in there.
You literally could have picked
Got
it
a
up
little-
and threw it.
I wasn't gonna
Little
throw it, I
jack
might
to
hit her
lift it.
tank.
Oh
They
yeah.
can whip my ass because I'm old.
No, I won't
so-
whip anybody's
Beauty.
a booty tea.
Yeah.
This thing's about to be so low. It's be so
I'm
awesome.
so excited. Yo, look at this compared to that.
hanging no
Yeah,
more.
look at
She's
this.
all
Look,
tucked up.
she's tucked
Look
up.
at this compared to dump, delete.
Oh, it's like you take a girl's legs and you cut her off at her knees.
Oh, what?
She can't run from you.
She can't. All she can do
That's
is crawl. She's a nugget.
Would you sleep with a vegetable?
What did he say?
If your girl can move, would you sleep with her?
Goodbye.
If she-
Goodbye. I'm ending this
She
video.
walks away with a jump.
Drake's parents got us all food. And I'm about to bust this food down. Hey, Crystal. Hi, mamas. You're in the vlog. She's the thumbnail, guys. I'm gonna make her the thumbnail. Because she will bring in all the views. She like the camera. She's so cute.
Later.
That light, everything that's under that car.
I have a face on my car.
I have poop on butt.
All right, everybody. We are here today. And
Poop on butt.
he's pooping in his butt.
Poop stuck in me asshole. Poop stuck in me ass.
There's poop in his butt. Because when he farts, the dust come out. We're here today to add the spring in the hole. And then
Spring in my ass.
no, not your butt.
Your butt.
Your not your butt.
You can't even see me on camera.
Yes, you can.
You actually.
Look.
Oh wow, the lighting is really good.
Why you talk like that?
Alright.
Why are you talking like that?
It's a little fun talking a little accent, you know?
It's a little fun. Hello. My name
Barack Obama.
is Barack Obama.
I'm saying if you want to say Obama.
My wife, Michelle, you know, with her
Like Barack
with,
Dick.
with her big voluptuous booty. Michelle.
With their big voluptuous booty.
Michelle.
What?
Go back in your room.
Okay, I'm going.
I feel like I'm getting arrested.
Thank you, Drake. Thanks, Dad. Thanks, Aaron. I appreciate you guys. And if Mom watches this video, thank you, Miss Holly.
It's okay.
Sheesh.
It's not settled yet. You gotta
I
back
know.
it up.
The jack stuck?
The front is gonna get stuck. Yeah, when you back out, it's gonna settle like another half inch or an inch.
Yeah.
And then when you drive it, it's gonna break in and get lower.
Well, yeah, if she
Nothing, man.
So
screwed up, there's nothing like a little piece of slam. Let's slam this baby.
Oh, she's so low back.
go. Oh my god. Sheesh. Yo, she looks so good. What?
Holy crap.
What are you kidding me? There's like no way I need to do any more than this. This is no, you have no faith in me.
No doubt about it.
Oh,
That's the best 5-0 I've ever done. That's the best 5-0 I've ever done.
that is.
Boots, she only has
Someone knocks him out with the camera.
I hope the camera got that.
Yo, we had to jump my car because we were listening to music with it.
Drake, wait.
We were listening to music and we left
10
it on and the
seconds,
battery like ran itself out. So we're jump starting it real quick.
Alright, let's blow it up, man. Let's shove this motor in the 240.
I'm crying.
Coyote swap 240? Dude, that
Yo.
thing, I would die. I would fucking die. That is gonna be a fucking rocket ship. See this shirt? Y'all read this shirt. Make sure y'all read this shirt.
Yeah.
We
Shout out to
tuned,
Trilogy
yes,
Performance.
Yes, big time. We tuned a stock one with a Roush intake. It made 460 wheel. Bone stock. No tune, no nothing.
Dang,
5-0.
that's crazy.
460.
She made it. She's alive. She's alive. Yeah. Don't turn it off now, Drake.
No, let it run.
Yeah, I won't.
Alright, you good.
There we go. We're good. Let's go.
Probably won't have that.
Think it's gonna rub?
This is Drake's brother, everybody. Say what's up to the vlog. Oh my god, I'm scared.
It's your brakes, it's fine.
Why are my brakes making that noise? Oh.
I touched all over them.
Okay.
Good.
I died inside.
Mine does that too.
The power. They can't handle the wheel.
You're one of the kids driving.
You're one of the kids driving. Are you insane? Dude, if you keep saying that, I'm about to drift the hell out of this thing.
Drift it! Drift it!
The car mid. Okay, I'm out. Nope. All right, my seatbelt's off.
Keep playing. Keep playing yourself. I'm about to fucking go.
Where are you gonna go? You guys are stuck.
I'm jumping out the window.
What window?
Stop!
Oh.
The car coming.
Okay, turn off your traction control right now.
It's too late. No, we're already home.
Down even more.
Yeah, Gigi.
It's gonna be down in the back.
Gigi, you wanna be on the vlog? Say hi!
Later, in the void.
What's good, y'all? Editing Liz here. Obviously, I always forget to finish out my videos and record my outros, but I'm here to tell you that if you made it this far in this video, click the like button. Do it. Do it. Do it for me. Do it for my car. Yeah, so like this video to help me because you love me. Bye.
I'm Cracker Man.